Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on the cross-references function on the Bible application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the More button down below in the right side corner. Then scroll down and click on Settings at the bottom. Scroll down again and go to the Bible reading section and tap on the cross-references button in the right side, meaning that when it is available, then cross-references will be added while you are reading the Bible. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.